Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to filter countries on Umingle. First, open your browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. Then search for Umingle and you will see this extension. Install the extension and after that, open the Umingle website. Now click on video and you will see some new options there. Click on the light blue icon, then select the countries you want to chat with. Just search the countries, tick them and save your selection. After that, start the chat. Now all the other countries will be skipped automatically and you will only connect with the countries you selected. Try this extension and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.